Richloom. It's a rare Friday hike. We took the day off because they're hunting tomorrow, not hunting today. We are going to take the Florida Trail and see if they built a bridge to West Swamp. All right, we've always wanted to do this since we knew about it. They just built the bridge like a year ago. Let's go check it out. Let's go! Cleared all this. We would not be able to get through this. There are so many downed trees, likely after Milton. Wow, it's really special to be able to do this. And there's no mosquitoes. We're heading May Trail to the south. We're gonna go see if we can cross the bridge over. We're going to Devil's Creek. Wow, look at that. We did it. And there's a bridge. It's real. Wow, thank you, Florida Trail Association. One of the times we came here, the water was all the way back there. We thought about bringing a boat. We're going to territory we've never explored. This is so exciting. We are now entering Green Swamp West. And you know that only means one thing, a chocolate croissant.
Green Swamp is living up to its name.
Today we've seen no one.
High Bluff Campsite.
Is this our turnaround? We're gonna keep on going.
Up to you.
Sun-dried tomato pesto. This trail is absolutely spectacular. I would highly recommend it on a non-buggy, non-hunting day. So much work has been done here. Thank you so much, Florida Trail Organization. Become a member. It's important.